Welcome, sir.
Very good morning to one and all the great people on the dais and off the dais. As has been asked by the secretary that each and every speaker has to take minimum time, I will abide by. Of course, also I know almost all of the persons on the dais and off the dais. I'm so happy to say this. I start. நல்ல சொற்பொருள் நாளும் நடாத்துவோம் எல்லை காணரும் பேரின்பம் எய்தவும் வெல்லும் யானை முகத்தினை மேவி வாழ வல்லவை குறியானை வலுத்துவோம். எப்பொருள் யார் யார்வாய் கேட்பினும் அப்பொருள் மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பது அறிவு. இணைத்தானும் நல்லவை கேட்க அனைத்தானும் ஆன்ற பெருமை தரும். மனத்துக்கண் மாசிலநாதல் அனைத்து அரண் ஆகுல நிரபிற. Again I do say, my dear friends, in a word, I'm so happy to be here. Each and every one of you on the dais and off the dais, each and every one is unique in their own fields. In the last alumni day, I spoke something individually about the individual professionalism. But now I would say it in a different way. As everyone is a unique person in their own field, then why should we be here as a team? There are two reasons. Personally, I feel in all the AGM meeting that in every AGM, I have been associating with this AGM for the past 2 decades, sir. In every year, I feel that I am down by 5 years. எல்லா ஆண்டும் ஒரு வருஷமும் இந்த ஏஜி மீட்டிங் அட்டன் பண்ணும் பொழுது எனக்கு 5 வயசு முன்னாடி இருந்ததை விட கீழே போகிற மாதிரி எனக்கு ஒரு எண்ணம் வரும். ஆஸ் வெல் நவ். என்ன காரணம்னா 2 விஷயத்தை ரொம்ப இதாக சொல்வேன். நிறைய காலேஜஸ்க்கு ஆஸ் அ பிரின்சிபல் ஐ ஹேவ் பீன் கோயிங், ஆஸ் அ தென் ஹெட் ஐ ஹேட் பீன் கோயிங். இப்போ எவ்வளோ காலேஜுக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தாலும் இப்போ பார்க்கும் பொழுது I understand that there are these 2 big reasons valid for why each and every one of the alumni of this institute is at top uniquely. The reasons are, first thing is the Almighty God, Goddess Paramakalyan and Lord Siva Sailabadi, the very, very, very big power we have in this area. The vibrations, the waves we have. Of course we have. I feel every day on my principal chamber, in my table. Second one is, in Alvarkuchi or in and around Alvarkuchi, there are so many people, big shots. But our chairman, family of our chairman, they have made this as a great establishment since the year 1962-63. I joined in the college in the year 1988-89 as an assistant professor. Till now, I have been seeing the growth of this college step by step. And this is a new block handed over to me by the chairman in June of this year. He said, you have to accelerate it further. So on the same, also I would like to say, as the chairman said in this EC meeting, you are the principal now, you are very safe. How you know? He just asked me. I was just hearing him. He said that all the then principals, all are here. All the then professors, all are not here. Some principals and some professors are here. All they did do hard work to have this of this height. Now you are in this platform, safer platform. Try to take this for some other higher heights. Honestly, trustworthily, truly, I am saying, sir, I have been trying to take these institutions for some other height with the support of all the other staff members at present at this institute and all the alumni. Now I have to say a few words on this alumni association. This alumni association may be there for in each and every institution. The special of this institution is each and everyone, after having achieved their unique height, they tried to support all the other students. As sir said, ஹரிகிருஷ்ணன் சார் அழகாக வந்து சொன்னாங்க, எல்எஸ் சார் வந்து எல்லா டைமும் இங்கே இல்லை, ஆனால் எல்லா டைமும் இங்கே இருக்க மாதிரி we have the feel அப்படின்னாங்க. Anything is not 100%, but I would agree, sir, this is 100%. சார் இங்கே இல்லை, ஆல்மோஸ்ட் இங்கே இல்லை, பட் ஐ ஃபீல் எப்போனாலும் என்னன்னாலும் நான் ஒன்றுத்துக்கும் வந்து அப்ரோச் இது பண்ணுறதே இல்லை, ஆனாலும் சார் இங்கே இருக்க மாதிரியே இருக்கும் எனக்கு. சார் என் ஏஜ் குரூப் தான், நாங்கள் எல்லோரும் ஒரே ட்ரெயின் ஒரே பேட்சு. ஐ ஆம் ஸோ ஹாப்பி amidst you all for having given me this good opportunity. All the best to you all to have a great life.